In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Zoho CRM. Creating a campaign can be an excellent way to reach out to your contacts strategically and effectively. Whether you're running a marketing blitz or launching a special promotion, this step-by-step guide will ensure you're up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option labeled Campaign. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all your email campaigns, and it's the starting point for setting up a new one. Next, you'll see a Create Campaign button. Click on it to initiate a new campaign. This is where the real work begins, so buckle up. The first thing you need to do is fill in the campaign name. This could be something that identifies the purpose of your email campaign, such as holiday sale promotion or new product launch. Picking a clear and descriptive name helps not only you, but anyone else working on the project to easily identify the campaign. After naming your campaign, you'll then choose a start date. Think about when you want your emails to go out and select a date that aligns with your goals. This is crucial for timing, especially if your campaign is connected to a specific event or deadline. Now type in the expected revenue. This can be an estimate of how much income you predict this campaign will generate. It's optional but useful for future measurement of your campaign's success. Following that, input the actual cost. This should include all the expenses you'll incur to run the campaign. Accurate costs help you evaluate the ROI later. Once you've done that, it's time to choose the type of campaign you're running. You'll find an array of types to choose from, such as email, event, or webinar. Selecting the right type categorizes your campaign and optimizes its setup. Next, you'll need to decide on a campaign status. Typically, this would be planning, in progress, or perhaps completed. Updating the status as your campaign develops helps keep everyone informed. Don't forget to set an end date as well. This is when you expect to wrap up the campaign, allowing you to manage timelines effectively. Another important field is the budgeted cost. This will help set your financial expectations and constraints from the get-go, streamlining your planning process. Then, type in your expected response rate. Again, this is optional, but offers a benchmark to gauge engagement levels once your campaign is active. You might want to add a description for your campaign. This can include objectives or key information that stakeholders might find useful. Adding a description provides context and rationale for the campaign, capturing its essence in a brief summary. Finally, when all fields are filled out and you're confident everything is accurate, go ahead and click on Save. This solidifies your setup and officially creates your campaign within Zoho CRM. And there you have it. Your email campaign is ready to engage and inform your audience. Don't forget to monitor its progress and adjust your strategies as needed to achieve the best possible results. Thanks for watching.